And then I said that Kala Ashok, and then there is a third Buddhist council. I said that 250 BC, and who is this? Ashoka. In the first Buddhist council, Ajasatru, and यहाँ पर he is something which has been recited, they started converting into books. Okay, no? Or which is the book? Pitaka. What is the book? Pitaka. And what is the book in the Jainism? Anga. 12 Anga, 12 Upanga. First Jainist council में क्या बना था? 12 Anga. Purvas, 14 Purvas are there that has been stored in the form of Smriti, and that has been converted into 12 Anga. And the 12 Anga in the first Jainist council, that is in the 3rd century BC. And later on the 5th century AD at Pallavi, it has been converted into what I said that 12 Anga into 12 also some parts 12 Upanga. Okay? And यहाँ पर I said that धीरे धीरे convert होने लगा Kala Ashok. During this there is a fight has been taken place on the basis of discipline. किसके basis पे fight हुआ? Second Buddhist council, when the Kala Ashok is there, जैसा काला आदमी वैसे ही लड़ाई होने लग जाएगा. And then I said that just remember लड़ाई किसके बीच में हुआ? Mahas means major portion, one side is a major part of the Buddhist followers, another is an elder group. And then there is a fight between, I said that Mahasangika and Thervada, जिसको हम लोग बोलेंगे स्थाविरवड़ा, वहां पे बोला जाता है, लेकिन आप थेरवड़ा बोलेंगे, दैट इज अंडरस्टूड. तो यहाँ पे फाइट हुआ. सेकंड में क्या हुआ? फाइट हुआ. थर्ड बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल में आके दे हैव बीन रिमूव्ड, वो यहाँ से निकल गए. एंड दे आर लाइक इन द म्यांमार, थाईलैंड, कंबोडिया. इन दिस रीजन इफ विल गो थेरवड़ा. सो वेयर इज द थेरवड़ा? सो दिस इज, आई सेड दैट I said that this is the reason for Thervada, this is the reason for I said that Vajrayana, and this is the reason for I said and all Mahayana. जहाँ पे भी followers हैं वो क्या है? Mahayana. Understood? And Mahayana में you know that there is a who is there? Bodhisattva. So they used to pray to whom? Bodhisattva. And Bodhisattva is the person who is about to receive Nirvana. Understood it? So I said that लेकिन वो due to the compassion of others, कभी कभी वो सोचते थे कि if I will not be here, who will come? So Bodhisattva never tried to become Buddha. Some Bodhisattva. The reason behind they have a feeling of compassion, and when they have a feeling of compassion for the pain of others, they cannot receive the Buddha enlightenment. Yes or not? So their procrastination nature is also there. Procrastination, okay, for the society sometimes, and they never receives also sometimes Bodhisattvas becoming Buddha. Understood? So I said Vajra. समझ में आ गया? Salvation. That is, followers believe the salvation be best attained by acquiring the magical power, and that is called as Vajra. And the chief divinities of this new sect were called Taras, and popular in which Eastern India, especially in Bengal and Bihar. And it was a form of Buddhism which appeared in Eastern India and then 8th century AD. And it was finally established in Tibet 11th century, and result of mission sent from the Vajrayana monastery of Vikramshila. And then, तो इसका मतलब Theravada formed after that, it come out in the third Buddhist council, and in the 4th Buddhist council में, that is in the, I said that Kanishka, that is 72 AD, that is in a Kundalvana. And then I said that Mr. Kanishka was there at time. Mahayana and Hinayana has been formed. So Mahasangika has been divided. Again, yes, tell me. First Buddhist council. First Buddhist council, 483 BC. Under whom? Ajasatru, and there is some books are Upali and all their portions are there, they have done. And then second Buddhist council, 383 BC, and who is there? Kala Ashok belongs to Shishuna. And then I said that there is Theravada and fight. Fight किसके साथ हुआ? Yes, Mahasangika. And then that is in a second Buddhist council. and then third Buddhist council, 250 BC, and in this one I said that Ashoka, and there is an I said that Theravada is finally formed and it has been moved out, and it is over the only smaller discipline issue, very small discipline. Generally आप लोग देखोगे elders थोड़ा सा भी छोटे से discipline को लेकर बड़ा बना देते हैं, तो sometimes this has been happened. And then there is an I said that another I said fourth Buddhist council, and what is there 72 AD, and who is there Kanishka, and यहाँ पे क्या division हुआ Mahayana and Vinaya. Is it clear? And that time Kanishka was the what patronized king, Kundalvana. Understood? So now we are going to see the book, and then book I said that 3 books are there: Vinaya Pitaka, Sutta Pitaka, and Abhidhamma Pitaka. Which are the 3 books are there? Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. Which are the 3 books? Vinaya Pitaka, Sutta Pitaka. Sorry, Vinaya Pitaka, Sutta Pitaka, and then Abhidhamma Pitaka. अच्छे से याद करने की कोशिश करेंगे. I said that, and Vinaya Pitaka में we will see Sutta Vibhanga, and thereafter you will see Khandaka, and then Parivara. Sutta Vibhanga, Khandaka, and then I said, tell me, Parivara. Which are we have seen? Tell me. Sutta Vibhanga, yes, Khandaka, Sutta Vibhanga, Khandaka, Parivara. Sutta Vibhanga, Khandaka. Sometimes आप लोग जानते हैं कि when your lifestyle full of morals and vinay रहेंगे, that is what it is, a morals is very good, and you'll talk to the someone with the what highly, what is morals, respect of the others, विनय पूर्वक करोगे तो क्या होगा? तो जितने भी परिवार के टूटे हैं, the broken parts of the family, they will get together. Yes or not? Family, परिवार. And then generally लोग हमारे यहाँ आज के डेट में क्या है, खंड खंड में बटे हुए हैं. Everyone is saying that you have done wrong, you have done wrong, you have done wrong. तो हमें क्या करना है? एक सूत्र लेना है, and we have to connect all khandas, broken parts. Sut means door, and then what is it? परिवार को बना देना. Understood? So which are we have seen? Which are we have seen? Sutta Vibhanga, Khandaka, and Parivara. Which are we have seen? Sutta Vibhanga, Khandaka, and Parivara. Sutta Vibhanga, Khandaka, and Parivara. याद हो गया? And then I said that Sutta Vibhanga has been divided into 2. Divided into 2. A Mahavibhanga. What we will see that? Mahavibhanga. And another is I said that Bhikkhuni Vibhanga. Maha and तो ये लोग बड़े महान भिक्षा मांगने वाले थे, भिखारी थे. ये कैसे थे? महान भिखारी थे. They used to ask for what is it? And you know that itself Buddha has given his son that you go and ask for in the Ajanta 16 caves. May he has said that to what is it? He has given the bowl, offering to the bowl, and then go and ask for what? Bhiksha. And I said that to his son Rahul. And then I talked about, हमने क्या बोला? महाविभांगा. Yes, भिखुनी विभांगा. भिखुनी का मतलब है नन, और यहाँ पे भिक्खु होगा. Which word? Bhikkhu. Bhikkhu means monk. Monks and nuns. Which are the two are there in the what is in a sangha? In their followers, monks and nuns. And thereafter I said that Khandaka. And the Khandaka it is I said that Mahavagga and Kulavagga. Yes? तो आप यदि खंड को जोड़ दोगे तो महान कुल बन सकता है. Yes, Mahavagga and Kulavagga. Understood? And the last one I said that Parivara. So which are the 3 important Vinaya Pitakas? Yes, tell me. Sutta Vibhanga, Khandaka, Sutta Vibhanga, खंड को जोड़ दो, then become Parivara. Sutta Vibhanga, Khandaka, Parivara. Completely okay? Yes, and Sutta Vibhanga has been divided into monks and nuns. Rules for monks and nuns. And who were the monks? Rules. It is known as the rules for the monks. It is known as what? Maha Vibhanga. And for the nuns, Bhikkhuni Vibhanga. Understood? Thereafter I came for what is I said? Next one is Khandaka. और खंड को जोड़ने का मतलब महान कुल बनाना. Mahavagga and which Vagga? Kulavagga. And then I said Parivara. इतना याद हो चुका? Yes. Tell me, this is the most important. Nobody teaches all this. Nobody teaches all this. And then it is very much important. I said that हमने क्या बोला? Vinay Pitaka. And the Vinay Pitaka, what is it? Yes? There is a Sutta Vibhanga, and thereafter I say Khandaka, and then I say Parivara. Sutta Vibhanga has, I said that, Maha Vibhanga, and then there is, I said that, tell me, Bhikkhuni Vibhanga. Thereafter Khandaka, Maha Vagga, and then I said that Kulavagga. Yaad ho gaya? Next one that we'll see, there is I said that there is a Sutta Pitaka. There is some formulas are there, sutras are there. What is there? Some sutras and formulas are there, and it is in the form of discourses. It is in the form of discourses. Whatever they have given somewhere, जब उन्होंने कहीं पे कुछ बोला, that is considered, and I said that. So we can be able to see that कैसा discourse दिया. Sometimes उन्होंने बहुत बड़ा discourse, explanation. He has given an what? Long explanation, long discourse. It is considered in a Digha. It is considered in a Digha Nikaya. Nikaya का मतलब होता है volume, number 1, volume 2, volume 3.